welcome everyone. Yeah, we're doing another Willet laser. This is a liquor bottle. I've never done glass before, so this is going to be a little learning curve here. But yeah, just a liquor bottle, and we'll see how this comes out, and well, we're going to find out at the same time. So away we go. This is going to be at 250 millimeters a second at 35 power. So let's try it. Alrighty. So that actually worked pretty well. I'm surprised. It's pretty rough, but yeah, I know this camera doesn't focus well up close. But yeah, pretty cool. Anyway, there we go. Another idea, another thing done. Send me some ideas on what you want. I'll put them in and see what they do. Alright guys, thanks for coming by. Have a great day. Bye-bye.